what Luca found. Wow! This is a cool sports car, Luca. Because of the leather, yeah? Wow, so nice, huh? Yeah, no, it's okay. I know, right? Wow, so cool. Luca, you like it? Yeah?
I like it too. It's his car.
Cool. Yeah, it is. So nice, huh? Okay. Give some space, Luca. Give some space, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Luca, here. Luca, put your mask, please. Okay? Press it hard and then you will feel it. How is it? Is it cool? Yeah, you good? Alright. So thank you. Alright. Alright, Owen, come try quickly. So, what do you feel? Is it the first sports car that you drive? Yeah, you like it? Whoa, Owen is on fire now. No, Luca, we're done. That was very nice.
That's cool. Maybe this is the car for you and me.
You want this car now? Alright, thanks, man. What? You like it?